The CT S300 PPK bundle, often listed as Casio CT S300 PPK 61-key Premium Keyboard Pack, is a complete beginner to intermediate portable keyboard package that bundles the 61-key CT S300 keyboard with useful accessories, stand, headphones, power supply, and often a simple bench or bag depending on the seller. The keyboard itself is compact and lightweight while offering full-sized keys and Casio's up-to-date sound engine designed for practicing, composing, and small performances. 61 touch sensitive. On some SKUs, full-size keys, built-in stereo speakers, USB MIDI connectivity for computer DAW work, a variety of tones and rhythms, suitable for pop, dance, and acoustic styles, and performance modes such as split, layer and tempo cinch functions. Typical physical specs for CTS class boards include a slim chassis for easy transport and power-by adapter, with battery option on other CT series boards. The PPK bundle adds the convenience of plug-and-play accessories so buyers don't need to source a stand or headphones separately. Customer feedback on the listing highlights the package value. Buyers appreciate receiving the keyboard plus essentials in one box, the solid beginner playability of the keys, and a clear onboard speaker sound for practice. Some customers who expect stage-grade weighted action note the CT S300 is aimed more at portability and features than heavy hammer action, while others praise Casio's feature set and the included accessories for making it an excellent first keyboard. If you're buying for a learner, home practice, or mobile use, the CT S300 PPK bundle is regularly recommended for its combo of portability, useful built-in features, and out-of-the-box readiness, and for those reasons many reviewers on the product page emphasize the package value. We share buy links in description box.